say we unbreakable. That's why we unbreakable. So Satan, you should back off. I promise I am in Somalia. Okay, tell my time for the same. Miss I don't be a say. Oh, baby, I'm in Somalia. Okay, tell my time for the same. Miss I put time be a say. Hey, Miss I don't be a say. Where I did the mess. The double yes, so much anymore. It's your bon song. And the pass over to me, I say me. I will sing and praise my God. He's my strength and my strength. So bon some wire for it. So wire for it. I can't believe I did it. I want some Russia
That's how I left everything immediately after the conference and then came to Finland. And something that today I'm proud of is that when we came, we were about 300 people they had invited. They shortlisted this to 60, and they selected 14 out of the 60, and I was one. And that's how I remained in Finland. So then, immediately, I got I think from September when we reopened, immediately I got a job. I got a cleaning job, and I was proud, and I'm so proud that I started working. I was and I worked for half a year, and then I went to that time it was posty. It was posty. So it was a summer job. It was a summer job in 1990. So I went to the summer job to sort letters, and there I remained. I after the summer vacation, they took some of us to continue, and again I was one of them, and we continued, and I rose. I was there in Italy. I went through different areas, and I rose to the position of HR manager. It was the first time. It's very emotional today. So that too, I went through a lot of changes, and we went through a lot of changes and change of positions and so on. I can go through all, but my former colleagues and bosses are here, perhaps to testify. I'm very happy. And here too, I'm here too in Finland. As I said, I've also worked in international positions, here in Finland, and in 2006, recognizing My work, the president of Finland at the time united some people, and again I was one of them, and today I'm wearing this not because as fun, not for fun, but it's also in recognition of the work that I've done here in Finland. I think I'll continue later on, because it's emotional. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask. But all that I'll tell my foreign friends, not foreign friends, but immigrant friends, is something that I did, which today I'm harvesting. Is that anywhere you go, if you want to live and know the society, learn the language. Learn the language. It's very, very important. If you learn the language, the door is opened. If you know the language, the door is open, because you will be communicating with that person in the language that he or she understands better. So I will leave you with these words, which I also learned so many years ago, which has been also a yardstick for me. That it says the secret of playing a part is to put yourself into it. The secret of playing a part is to put yourself into it. If you are given a role, I won't say as a criminal, but if you are given a role to play, put yourself into it. See yourself that, yes, I am that person. If you are given a role as a clergyman, do your homework. How does the clergyman behave? What my grandmother used to say, that if you go somewhere and you hear a parent giving advice to the child, put it in your knee, not in your mind, your head, your knee. And why? Because anytime your knee hurts, you remember. That is what my grandmother said. So once again, now I've stopped the crying. It's okay, but I will still cut it. Thank you very much, and welcome again for coming. And I will leave you with one thing. As I said, I've worked in the international field for long, in immigration issues, legal issues, and so on, which is my field. And me and a couple of friends have established, well, Dr. Crutcher is here, is one of them, established an NGO called African Diaspora in Finland. And perhaps if you want more information, we can tell you and how you benefit from this organization. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Lily. Wait, Lily. Wait. I want to thank you, Lily. You are a great man and very special man. I remember when I first time met you, it was in the year 95. I was working at that time in Helsinki city, and we had a big exhibition there in Kisahalli, and you were working there. Nana Thompson, can you